100 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12, 3 times 5, 15, then 3 times 6, 18. To find out the multiplication table of 3 easily, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. Now look, 3 goes into 1 how many times? 0 times, as 1 is less than 3. 0 times 3, 0. Subtract 1, bring down this 0, so 10. 3 goes into 10 how many times? 4 times 12, which is greater, so 3 times. Right, 3. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract, you are getting 1. Bring down your next 0. Uh, 3 goes into 10 how many times? Actually 3 times. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract, you are getting 1. So these 0 don't have any value. So your answer is 33 remainder 1. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then convert this whole number into decimal number. Just take a decimal and add any number of zeros. Bring down the first 0, where we are getting again 10. But before this 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. So 3 goes into 10 3 times. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 1. Bring down the next 0. Again 10 means 3. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract 1. Bring down this 0. 3 goes into 10 how many times? Again 3 times. That is, this 3 is repeating. So place here 3 dot. So this is the answer, but we can also write this answer by using a bar. This means this 3 is repeating.